Welcome to our comprehensive guide on upgrading your kitchen with top-tier Austin, Texas kitchen cabinets. We're here to equip you with essential insights to help you select the finest cabinets for your Austin home. Let's delve into the core aspects, starting with materials. When seeking Austin TX kitchen cabinets, durability is paramount in our Texas climate. Solid wood or plywood stands as reliable choices, capable of withstanding our region's dynamic weather. These materials ensure longevity and resilience against the test of time. Moving on to design. Austin kitchen cabinets are an expression of your taste. Whether you lean towards modern aesthetics or prefer classic allure, select cabinets that harmonize with your vision. Functionality remains key. Opt for designs that marry practicality with elegance. Color and finish play pivotal roles in transforming your kitchen's ambiance. From soft, inviting tones to bold, statement-making hues, choose colors that resonate with your home. Consider finishes like matte or gloss to impart depth and sophistication, elevating your kitchen's appeal. Durability is imperative for Austin TX kitchen cabinets. Look for cabinets fortified against pests and moisture. Cabinets resistant to termites and humidity ensure your kitchen maintains its allure, resilient against the elements. Remember, your kitchen is where cherished moments unfold, where families gather, and where memories are made. Beyond materials and design, consider the layout and functionality. Optimize your kitchen space by choosing cabinets that offer efficient storage solutions. Pull-out drawers, adjustable shelves, and innovative organizers can maximize your kitchen's usability. When revamping your kitchen, it's not just about the cabinets themselves. Think about complementing elements. Backsplashes, countertops, and lighting choices can enhance the overall aesthetic, elevating the impact of your chosen cabinets. Don't overlook the importance of professional installation. Seek experienced professionals who understand the nuances of installing Austin TX kitchen cabinets. Expert installation ensures that your cabinets are not just beautiful, but also function seamlessly. As you embark on this transformative journey for your kitchen, remember that each detail contributes to the bigger picture. Take your time exploring options and don't hesitate to seek guidance from experts in the field. Ready to transform your kitchen with top-tier Austin kitchen cabinets? Contact us at 512-456-9970 or visit topkitchenremodelingaustin.com for the best selection. Our team is prepared to guide you through every step of creating the kitchen you've always envisioned for your Austin home. Stay tuned for more expert advice and insights to help you craft the kitchen of your dreams here in Austin, Texas. Until then, happy remodeling.